Trinidadian manufacturers respond to talk that Jamaica should boycott their goods because they're mistreating Jamaicans. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, the lawyer who says Jamaicans should sue CARICOM states that mistreat them.
More concern about plan to remove auxiliary fees.
Thief meets bloody end after robbery goes awry.
In the business day, new flights announced from Britain to Jamaica.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Does it make sense for Jamaica to boycott Trinidadian goods to protest the treatment of Jamaicans by the Twin Island Republic?
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at TelevisionJam.
Stay with us, Primetime News returns right after this break.